This is how you can make a dancehall beat using only one plugin, Xpand 2. So I'm gonna go through all them instruments that I use from Xpand to give you an idea of what good songs sound like, and you can use those instruments in your beat. But before I do that, I'm just gonna play the full beat so you can hear the beat that I came up with. Alright guys, let's solo all the drums and let's leave the instruments to play. And let's go through all of them one by one. And first off, I have an E-piano, electric piano Mark 1. I'm gonna put the instrument by itself. Yeah man, and that instrument is mostly used in piano, Afrobeat. Yeah, those type of beats, emotional beats. Yeah man, so it's a very, very good preset. Yeah, next, let's head to my next instrument, my next preset in Xpand. In Xpand 2, guys, it's a voice pad. I'm gonna play it by itself. Yeah man, song's very airy and create that emotional feel to the beat. Yeah, you can also find it if you like to use it in the soft pad section in Xpand 2. It's called voice pad. Yes, let's head to the next instrument. My next instrument is a keys. Yeah, natural grand piano, guys, and you can find it in the acoustic piano section. And I'm just gonna play it by itself so you can hear the sound of it. Listen. Yeah man, so that's why I told you all you only need big plugins, expensive plugin to make a beat. Yeah, just one plugin. All you have to know is what instrument, what preset that you want to use, and then it'll be just fine. So let's play the voice pad, the Mark 1, which is the E-piano, and the keys together, and hear what it sounds like. Yeah man, song is nice. Everything just fits together perfectly. Sounds cohesive. Yes. Next instrument, we have a choir. And we're just gonna play the choir by itself. I like to make you all hear how the preset song by itself first before I make you all hear how it fit in the context of the beat. And that's the choir. Let's open it up. You can find it in vocals, number 15, the male choir part. That's what it sounds like. Yeah, man. So that's why I told you all don't need expensive plugins. You doesn't have to know what you're choosing, and that's Xpand 2 is a very great plugin to use. And note, this is not a paid sponsorship. I just love using the plugin, one of my most used plugin. Yeah, when I'm making beats. So let's head to the next instrument. But before I do that, let's play the choir with the rest of the instruments that I've played so far. Yeah, man, everything fits nice and sounds good. Yes, next instrument, let's turn off everything again, as usual. And it's a plug pad. I got it from the soft pad category. It's called Distance. Alright, let's just play it by itself. First, then we'll play it with the other instruments. Yeah, man, and guys, notice that I'm only playing twice because It's not an instrument, it's not a preset that I wanted dominant in the beat. Yeah, just to add context with the Mac 1, add a little brightness to make you know that something different is coming when I change these sections. So let's listen to everything together. Alright guys, so guys, you'll see how I just had five presets from Xpand 2, and that was it. And basically the melody is done. So you don't need no expensive plugin, guys. You just have to use what you have and just have to know what you're going for, and that's all you need. I'm not gonna go through my drums because this video is not about drums, it's all about showing you all that you can still do what you'll have to do if you use it just one plugin. That's it, just one plugin you'll need. So guys, just want to tell you all thanks for watching the video. You know already, subscribe, like, share this video, and keep watching my next video right here. So I'm out.